AI might look modern, but it roots back many decades. Here is a quick timeline. 1950, Alan Turing. Turing asked a famous question: can machines think? This started the idea of intelligent machines. 1956, official birth of AI. The term artificial intelligence was introduced at the Dartmouth conference by John McCarthy. This is considered the birth of AI research. 1960s to 1980s, rule-based systems. Computers started solving simple problems using if-else rules. These were called expert systems. And 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a historic moment showing machines could outperform humans. Deep Learning Revolutions 2012. Computers began to recognize images and speech with amazing accuracy thanks to neural networks. 2020s, generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini brought human-like creativity to machines. Today, AI is not just a technology, it's transforming every industry. I hope you find this session helpful and I will see you in the next chapter.